My name is Peter Ayres. I'm the Digital Signage BDM for Maverick UK. Today we're in the TD Signage Basingstoke office to introduce you to our latest technology platforms. This includes a couple of Epson LED screens and also our Sony TEOS software platform. Sony TEOS is an asset management application that incorporates a number of different other solutions such as digital signage, asset management, firmware updates and also IoT. Sony TEOS has been deployed throughout our office here in Basingstoke. We are currently using the digital signage in real time. It can do so much from any small to medium to enterprise level businesses, and it's just so simple to use. It's one central login point. You can either have an on-premise solution or a company such as ourselves, we've opted for a cloud-based solution. The reason we've gone for a cloud-based solution is that we foresee that hybrid working is going to be such a key aspect moving forward over the next few years. We wanted our users to have that flexibility where they didn't necessarily have to come into the office to execute and perform various different processes within the TEOS platform. Now, a big incorporation for hybrid working is the ability to hot desk. What Sony TEOS has is the functionality to deploy IoT sensors underneath the desk. This will allow users in real time whether or not that desk is actually occupied, and if it is available, you can simply book it there and then on the spot. One of the key benefits that we can utilize with our Sony TEOS platform is the pretty much instant update of our digital signage. We can instantly set schedules to have seasonal themed promotions or different notifications. Every member of staff can easily see that. It is also integrated with our intranet system, so all content looks and feels the same, it's familiar, it's easily accessible. Sony TEOS is a much better upgrade from our previous system. It's far more engaging, aesthetically it's much easier to look at, it's also much simpler to control. The display behind me is an Epson A27. It is a fantastic tool to showcase our company values, any corporate information to any potential visitors, internal staff, and it's just a great way to collaborate with absolutely everybody. The content that is being displayed is actually centrally controlled via Sony TEOS. To find out more information, please feel free to contact me directly or your TD Signage account manager. We'll be more than happy to provide further information on these technologies.